Welcome back to Game of Thrones, guys. So yeah, decided to come have a couple throws here in Ballito, Salmon's Bay this afternoon. Today is Monday afternoon. I think it's the 20th, not sure. But yeah, the water is not bad at all. I'm gonna try to fish until it's a bit dark. The water seems to be very, very nice. I'm gonna try and fish with white bait. I tried to get choka or even squid, but obviously I was too late to make the tackle shop, so I managed to get some prawns, which I'm going to try with, and I do have some sea lice, hopefully, but let's see. We'll try and fish up until it's dark. Hopefully the white bait or the prawns work, but yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, so I managed to get some prawns, but these prawns are more like shrimps. They're really, really small. So I managed to get 2 boxes of them. What I'm going to try and do is to make my bait look a bit bigger. I've cut a sea lice in half, right, split it in half to make my bait look bigger. And now I'm going to add on the prawn for taste as well. I'm going to try and give it a big bait. And I've got a special trap hook here as well. Hoping it works. And another prawn. So basically this is my 3rd prawn on the small bait. Like I'm saying, it's probably not even prawn, it's probably shrimp. But let's see if it works. Brilliant. There's some nice juices coming out though, and I'm guessing that's coming out from the sea lice. Okay, make it nice. Okay. So this is my prawn and sea lice combo. Hooks are nice and proud. Using a 6-ounce grapple. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I managed to put my bait out. Hopefully I get a pull. So the water is coming up at the moment. 6:30 is full water. There's a slight southeasterly blowing, which is not too bad. It's fishable. Let's see. The reason why I was looking for white bait today to fish with, the water is absolutely clean. At night, the white bait generally tends to work much better. So yeah, that's the reason I prefer using the white bait in clean waters like this, especially at night. But nevertheless, let's see what happens. We've got prawns, we've got some sea lice. Let's see what happens. Okay, so far it's been quite, there's it, I think it's got small bites there, but yeah, I think it's small fish, but there's a nice storm coming through. The clouds are absolutely black, so let's see, once the rain starts, I'm going to try and pack it up, but yeah, there's a lot of small fish pecking the bait. Let's see what happens.